bottom. In this cup, it's up. Go down, go down. That's what you should be. Do you know why it's floating? Let's see in the video. Hello guys, today we're going to make a video about science. We're going to do a science experiment and I think our special guest is the Easter Bunny. Hi! Why did I bring the Easter Bunny? Because Easter is almost here and the things we are going to use is water, salt, and 2 cups, and eggs, and almonds. Almonds for testing out the experiment and eggs to use. And make sure to do this in a safe place that it's okay to make a mess like in the kitchen. And be sure to get 2 paper towels or sheets of tissue. Let's start. First, let's get both of these cups. Let's put both of the eggs inside. Look, it sinks. This one sinks too. Now, we're going to add the salt to one of these cups. Take this egg out and let's put the salt in. We have to put 10 scoops of salt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. Now let's stir to dissolve the salt. It takes a little bit time to dissolve the salt. Sugar and salt easily dissolve in water. I think the salt is ready. Yeah, that's it. Let's put the egg inside. Look, it's floating. Do you know why it's floating? Because the salt increased the density of the water, and so the egg floats and the water is down, not up like in this cup. In this cup, the water's density is low, so the egg sinks. And let's try it with the almonds because the eggs are alone. Let's give them some friends. Look, the almond is up. Look, the almond is down. If the object that we put is more density than the liquid, it will sink. If it has less density, it will float. From this experiment, we learned density, and if we add salt to the liquid, we put the object, it will float. If it's plain water like in this cup, it will sink. And did you like this video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And you all learned something today, even Easter Bunny. Say bye, Easter Bunny. Bye everyone. Bye. See you in the next video.